Hi, this is Poonam Hariharan, the founder of Organic Amrit. Our search for the purest mango of our country, the king of mango, Alfonso, has brought us all the way to Ratnagiri. And we are in this beautiful divine beach. As you can see, God really has chosen the most beautiful spot to give you the yummiest mangoes ever available in our country. We'll get you the best and the purest mangoes Mother Nature has ever made.
As we travel through this historic port city along the Konkan coast of Maharashtra, the breathtaking sights and the winding hilly roads lead us to Mr. Umesh Lanjekar. He is one of the most reputed organic farmers in Ratnagiri and is also known to produce some of the purest and best Alfonso crops in the region, year after year. We spoke with him in detail, where he explains his farming techniques and also shows us around his unique processing plant. This is Anish Farms in the heart of Ratnagiri city.
Myself is Umesh from Anish Farms from Ratnagiri. This is my third generation in doing farming, Alfonso mango farming.
उमेश जी, आपको कब और क्यों लगा कि कन्वेंशनल खेती छोड़कर ऑर्गेनिक या नेचुरल फार्मिंग करनी चाहिए?
जैसे हम रेगुलर फार्मिंग करते थे तो उसमें हमको बहुत सारे तकलीफें आती थी और जैसे जैसे एक ये सेफ फूड का एक अर्लियर दिस स्टार्टेड सेफ फूड प्रोटोकॉल एक स्टार्ट हुआ था सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से, तभी वो पेस्टिसाइड रेसिड्यूज के बारे में जानकारी थी और जैसे अपने पास मैक्सिमम प्रोड्यूस ग्रेप्स जाता था यूरोप के अंदर, वो रिजेक्शंस बिकॉज ऑफ द पेस्टिसाइड से हो रहा था। तो वो स्टडी करते करते मालूम पड़ गया कि बेटर वे गो फॉर द ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग लाइक ए नेचुरल फार्मिंग, डू लेस इंटरवेंशन इन द इकोसिस्टम।
नेचुरल फार्मिंग के बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं? किन किन बातों का ज़्यादा ख्याल रखना चाहिए?
एवरी प्लांट हैज़ नो हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस इज न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम द नेचुरल रिसोर्स। तो फिर ये हमारा जो आउटपुट के लिए जो वर्किंग है उसके अंदर इंटरवेंशन है वो बहुत सारा काम बिगाड़ देती है उसके अंदर, और ये बिगड़ने के बाद पूरा सिस्टम बदली हो जाता है उसका।
What do these pesticides and chemicals do to the land?
पेस्टिसाइड जो है जैसा हम इंटरवेंशन सॉइल में करेंगे तो फिर उसमें न्यूट्रिशंस का जो रेशो बदली होता है प्लांट्स के अंदर, तो प्लांट्स का न्यूट्रिशनल जो रेशो रहता है और जो ऑक्सीन्स है, साइटोकाइनिन्स जो जो है उसके अंदर हार्मोन्स है, उसमें बदलाव हो जाता है और वो कॉम्पेंसेट कर जैसा ये बदलाव होता है तो उसमें वो जो उसका फाइटिंग कैपेसिटी अगेंस्ट द पेस्ट कम हो जाता है। सेकंड थिंग ऐसा है जितना पेस्टिसाइड अप्लाई करेंगे उतना हम इकोसिस्टम का जो बैलेंसिंग सिस्टम है उसको बिगाड़ देते हैं, बिकॉज आप देखेंगे तो जो ये सभी मोनोक्रॉप सिस्टम है, तो मोनोक्रॉप सिस्टम के अंदर एक ही क्रॉप उगाते थे, तो जैसा प्रेडेटर्स है उनके लिए जब भी एक क्रॉप रहता है तभी उनको खाने को मिलेगा, तो उसके सब्सिक्वेंट बाउंड्री के ऊपर आपको जो फॉरेस्ट प्लांट्स है जितना जो नेचुरल आपके रीजन में होता है वो होना ही जरूरी है उसके अंदर।
What makes mango a superfruit?
It is a superfood because it is having the 18 nutritions in the entire fruit, and again it is a good for diabetic. It reduces the sugar. It is a proven documentation. It is scientific documentation regarding all this, because in India we are adding the sugar in any juices or any blends, but you never eat the self sugar because self sugar never increase the blood sugar. It increase the weight only but never increase the blood sugar. नेचुरल फार्मिंग जो सिस्टम है वो एंशियंट टाइम में था, लेकिन उसका स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग अपने इंडिया में किधर हुआ नहीं। डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है, जो क्रॉप जिधर जिधर लोकेशंस पे उसका स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग अवेलेबल नहीं, तो इसलिए नोबडी नोज कि ये ट्रैकिंग कैसा उसको करने का है। तो वो टाइम पे कमर्शियल वैल्यूज़ नहीं था ऐसा हम बोलते हैं, लेकिन उनको इम्पोर्टेंस था उसका इनसाइड न्यूट्रिशंस का वैल्यूज वो लोगों को था। हमारे पास कमर्शियल वैल्यूज आ गए, न्यूट्रिशन का वैल्यूज कम लगने लगा, जिसकी वजह से हम कमर्शियलाइजेशन में गए। तो चैलेंजेस ऐसा है कि जितना हम उसको इंटरवेंशन सॉइल में किया है, तो वन रिवीजन ऑफ द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड द C1 फेज। It takes round about 7 to 10 years because 1 centimeter soil's erosion takes only 1 second and formation takes 100 years. That is the basic heart of the soil, and soil is the mother plant of the plant. That's why we have to protect the soil. And once you build the soil quality, then everything is happen positively in production. Again, biodiversity should you have to maintain, that helps to predators to stay there all 24 hours, because the maximum control measures of the pest is the predators. 75-20% is controlled by the predators. Now using the chemicals, we destroy all the cycles of the predators. That's why we are lots of suffering the land. We are going for the massive use of the chemicals. And once you go with that way, because suppose there is a 100% crop, and the 10-15% is from the rest of the, because we are the part partial of the ecosystem. Entire system is not ours. We are the part partial of the ecosystem. That's why we have to left something for the others, and remaining we are maximum we can try to get for ourselves.
ओके, भारतीय ऑर्गेनिक कंज्यूमर के लिए आप क्या राय देंगे?
एक्चुअली ऑर्गेनिक फ्रूट आइडेंटिफाई करना इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, नहीं तो जो आप परचेस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ले रहे हैं आप सेल्फ एनर्जी के लिए, तो उसमें आप अपना जितना जो कंज्यूमर राइट्स है वो लगाना मांगता है. आप 100 क्वेश्चन उनको पूछना मांगता है, ग्रोइंग से अप टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन तक, ये कैसा चलता है साइकिल्स. और जो फ्रूट आपको क्लीन और बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिखता है, इट इज़ नॉट ए ट्रू ऑर्गेनिक, बिकॉज नेचुरल थिंग्स है वो ऐसा कभी आता नहीं, आता है लेकिन उसको बहुत टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द रिविजन पीरियड. 12 to 15 years is the revision period. All process, all the certifications told us that there is a 3 years. It is not an easy job to convert 3 years, because you have to give the 280 pesticides and round about now 32 heavy metals that are the radioactive, that causes the cancer to the human beings. That is the important thing in there. That's why you demand the MRL report of the produce. Otherwise, you demand the transaction certificate. We call this a transaction, but it gives the clear idea, because earlier, at the time of our audits, we give out the entire production system, and that against the production system, every day we have to maintain the lot and the batch and the distribution cycle. There is no any change can be allowed in that, and that can be traced back again for the next year audit.
No, when I was studying it, I got to know that the active agents जो हैं, वो तो 10-10 साल नहीं खत्म होते.
नहीं.
तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप आज कर ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं, मैं बोला ना, उसका साइकिल है, बोलते हैं ना 15 years द लॉन्गेस्ट साइकिल है उसका.
नॉट पॉसिबल.
नहीं, इसके लिए कोई जाता नहीं है.
डर के मारे. Actually, genuinely speaking, we can only walk the path, but achieving it is a time-consuming process. You made this with a lot of your own workings on the engineering aspects as well, as you found it very challenging to really assimilate everything within the country. So could you tell us exactly what were the challenges and how you overcame them, and what have you really integrated here, which is really something that stands out from the rest of the grading houses we have in the country?
Now there is one protocol is for Europe. They are given for the fruit fly. It's the hot water treatment. There is but earlier in 90s I learned in CFTRI, the every fruit is from the fungal diseases, they are treated with the hot water treatment. That is for the fungal disease. Don't use any chemicals in that. Only simple way, plain water, and treated in the hot water 52 degree in 10 minutes. And then I know this is the perfectly, and I go back for my ancient farming system in village level. At that time they are telling us that from after the 15th of May, they are boiling the fruits from the hot water. They don't know why they are boiling the fruits. Then I understand, because there is suddenly there is a offset monsoon is there, and that monsoon, because of once there is a rain, then fruit fly emergence goes start. Immediately within 2-3 days the emergence goes on. Then I understand this is the ideal way. They are knowing that time, but they are not knowing the scientific way of the things in that. And then we work in that, and my this is the basic idea behind all this. We are giving the ideas, but the Victor, that is Electronic Center, is from Mumbai. He can compliance all my ideas with his own knowledge, and because he is from 80s here, he is doing the ripening system in India. I know that time, and that time the catalytes are there. Still we are using the catalytes in that. Now he is also doing catalytic system, and now everything we want, because every fruits having its own physiological characters. According to that fruits, you have to develop the process handling. Not from the any fruit. All the fruits are the common thing.
Mr. Lanjekar also explained how he uses scanning machines to check for the spongy tissue, which has been the most difficult aspect of quality control with Ratnagiri Alfonsos. We also asked him about the use of ethylene gas as a ripening agent without harmful chemicals.
दैट इथिलीन जो है, तो इथिलीन 3 फॉर्म्स में आता है. एक एसिटाल्डिहाइड से इथिलीन आता है, इट इज टोटली कार्सिनोजेनिक है. बाद में इथिलीन एक मॉलिक्यूल इथेरल करके आता है. इट इज यूज फॉर द केमिकल यूज फॉर द डिफोलिएशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, बट वी आर यूजिंग दैट मॉलिक्यूल फॉर द फ्रूट डिपिंग. द ppm concentration goes around 800 to 900 ppm. You get the color yellow, bright yellow, but it is not good for the hair. Our people never knows what type of fruit we have to consume, because it is a sour fruit. Once you eat it is as a sour taste, it is good for the hair. Otherwise, you are fermenting the sugar inside the fruit. That is not useful.
And like we said, what is the kind of ethylene we are using for the organic process? What is the molecule of ethylene which we are using in the organic
We are
process?
using ethanol. Ethanol is the food grain alcohol. From food grain alcohol, we are removing C2H5OH and remaining converted to H2O molecule. Only we are getting the ethylene at the 250 degree centigrade. Is the simple way of the. It is the proven technology in worldwide.
And what is the ethylene you were talking about, just for the sake of asking?
That is ethereal. Ethereal is the molecule is there. Again, ethylene gas is using there, but it is a raw form of the ethylene.
I see. So that is the
And it is not the natural ethylene. It is not the natural. Ethanol is the natural ethylene, but it is a food grain alcohol is there.
Okay.
So basically, it's just a completely closed.
Fully hygiene maintained because every week we are cleaning this system with the hydrogen peroxide with silver nano. It is a proven chemical. It is used for the antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral worldwide. And again, every day we are cleaning the pack house. Again, early morning we are fogging the pack house with the before starting the process. We fog the entire pack house with the that is hydrogen peroxide silver nano. We sterilize the process and then go for all the process.
Okay, great. Fantastic. And how many days usually
the mangoes? It is a simple idea of the ripening. We are giving the ethylene from alcohol that gives the ethylene. We give ethylene to fruit and sensing them to start your self ethylene to generate.
Okay.
It is the simple way of the. It is not the ripening process. To boost the self ethylene to start for the ripening.
Okay.
It is the simple.
What is the chemical composition of the cancer-causing ethylene?
That is acetaldehyde.
Acetaldehyde.
Acetaldehyde is the worst.
And this is used when you're basically telling the fruit to start ripening on its own naturally. Is it being done by diffusion method of the alcohol based ethylene or?
नहीं उसका सेल्फ इथिलीन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. जैसा उसको आर्टिफिशियल इथिलीन मिलता है तो उसको लगता है कि अभी अपने को
डिपिंग के बाद
डिपिंग नहीं रहता है, उसमें खाली वेंटिलेशन रहता है और ह्यूमिडिफायर्स है. कोल्ड जैसा टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है इथिलीन स्टार्ट होता है तो फिर उससे कूल करना पड़ता है, तो वाटर कंटेंट उसमें रहता है टैंक में अंदर, तो वाटर ऊपर जाता है फैन के अंदर से ब्लो होता है. जैसा कूलर है सेम सिस्टम, लेकिन तो वाटर टेम्परेचर इज 5 to 6 डिग्री रहता है. तो कूल एयर जाने के बाद वो ठंडा हो जाता है, तो शेल्फ लाइफ बहुत बेहतरीन होता है उसके अंदर. आरोमा फ्लेवर बढ़ जाता है ये करने से मेरे हिसाब से 21 डेज तो रहता ही है. राउंड अबाउट अर्लियर इट द फ्रूट्स हैविंग राउंड अबाउट 25 to 30 डेज शेल्फ लाइफ था. अब ये सब कम होने लगा है
और कार्बाइड वगैरह से तो शेल्फ लाइफ बिल्कुल खत्म ही हो जाता है.
इथ्रिल देखो, इथ्रिल जो डिपिंग है सब बोलते हैं ये येलो फ्रूट नहीं इसलिए अच्छा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. एक्चुअली दिस इज एसिडिक फ्रूट है, ये सोरी खाना है. सपोज यू वांट अ गुड न्यूट्रिशन, देन कैसा है, दीज आर द सीजनल फ्रूट्स. जितना आपका डिफिशियंसी रहेगा सब अपना रेनी सीजन का, बाद में क्या बोलते हैं अपने विंटर का रहेगा, समर का रहेगा, तो ये समर में आपको क्लीन करता है बॉडी को और आपको एड ऑन करता है, तो आने वाला जो मानसून रहेगा उसको आपको गार्ड करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज द किंग ऑफ द फ्रूट. जितना डिफिसिट हो गया है उसको कॉम्पेंसेट करके आगे आ जाने में आपको बूस्ट करता है वापस.
Thank you. This fruit that you see here, this has actually been run through the X-ray machine, and these have been discarded. So they are not going into the packaging and to the consumer. So that's how really genuine the entire system is. And if you see the fruit,
it looks good, sir. The fruit looks good.
Yeah, you can't say at all that the fruit has any issue. It's perfectly fine.
But sir, Umesh sir has just cut this.
And there you see the spongy tissues that are showing up. So the X-ray machine is so precise.
कुछ भी नहीं मालूम पड़ता है आपको. आप बोलेंगे बहुत बेहतरीन है.
सर बहुत बार उल्लू बन चुके हैं हम. I see.
That's really so nice. So basically, that is how aware and that is how concerned Mr. Lanjekar is for the consumer to get the right mango. So really, given the fact that this is the only organic farm that we have in Ratnagiri that is genuinely doing it for 20 plus years now. Besides having that, he's put so much system in place to ensure that what comes to your house is actually the diamond that has really been selected out of the coal mine. And that is the blessing, that is the Mother Nature's truest, most beautiful treat that you will get in your houses once you eat food coming from Anishka.